Ever had your chain drop mid-ride or parked your bike and spent the whole time worrying it might disappear? Yeah, we've all been there. That's exactly why these gadgets exist, and trust me, they're not normal bike accessories. These are the kind of upgrades that actually make riding cleaner and less stressful. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30, Alarm Bike Tail Light. You lock your bike, but what if it could fight back? This smart bike tail light isn't just bright, it comes with a 115 decibel alarm, motion sensor, panic remote, and multiple flashing modes. Someone messes with your ride, and it goes full beast mode. Need just visibility? Pick from 4 light patterns and 3 brightness levels. USB-C rechargeable, 40-hour battery, waterproof and theft-proof. Your bike just got its own bodyguard. Number 29, Rockbros handlebar mitts. Riding in cold weather just got way more comfortable with the Rock Brothers handlebar mitts. They create a cozy microclimate for your hands, keeping them warm and protected. Made from 6mm thick neoprene and SPR material, the same water-resistant stuff used in diving suits. They block wind, freezing temperatures, and moisture. Reflective details improve visibility while riding. At $27 a pair, they're a practical upgrade. Number 28, RNS Triangle Frame Bag. Made from sturdy, water-resistant polyester with seam-sealed YKK zippers, this bicycle frame bag offers durability and easy maintenance. Its multiple compartments and generous storage space keep all your cycling essentials organized. Adjustable straps ensure a secure, stable fit on most bike frames, including mountain, road, gravel, and BMX bikes. Number 27, Bub-up. Riding in the rain without getting soaked or flapping around in a heavy poncho. That's exactly what the Bub-up by Rainjoy does. It's a pop-up canopy that springs up in seconds, creating a little protective bubble over your upper body. Instead of sticking to you like a raincoat, it hooks onto your handlebars and a harness you wear, so it stays put even when it's windy. The clear material lets you see everything around you, no blind spots, so traffic or trail navigation is easy. And when the rain stops, it folds down into a neat, compact circle. Number 26, CYCPLUS GPS. This bike computer offers precise GPS tracking with a Swiss navigation chip, syncing your route to the app via Bluetooth. Its 2.9-inch glare-free FSTN screen is easy to read day or night, automatically adjusting brightness based on sunrise and sunset. The included switchable speed and cadence sensor works with all compatible devices, providing a comprehensive tool for scientific cycling training. Number 25, Bike on Kit. A simple way to turn your regular bicycle into an electric one without any complicated wiring or bulky batteries. It comes with a compact motor that attaches easily to your bike and a rechargeable battery that fits neatly into the standard bottle holder. Once installed, the motor provides 250 watts of power for European models and 750 watts for the US version, giving you an assisted ride with a range of up to 32 kilometers. Number 24, Rehook Colour. Ever drop your bike chain mid-ride and end up with greasy hands? This tiny tool fixes it in about 3 seconds. No mess, no fuss. Just hook it on, pop the chain back, and keep riding. It's ultra light, clips right onto your frame, and fits where your fingers can't. If you are going on a long ride, it saves time and frustration every ride. Number 23, KINEKT Suspension Seat Post. Think about this. Riding over bumpy roads can be a pain, right? Well, these seat posts and handlebar stems with built-in shock absorption basically smooth everything out. It's like riding on clouds. Sure, they aren't cheap. A good one will set you back around $457. That means you can tweak it to match your weight and riding style, and it handles anything from 80 to 320 pounds. It's one of those upgrades that makes long rides actually enjoyable. Number 22, Vabsrider Saddle. Comfort can make or break a ride, and this saddle is here to solve that. Traditional bike seats create pressure points, numbness, or friction after long rides, but this saddle moves with you. Its virtual axis pivot allows the surface to tilt and shift side to side, matching your hips' natural rotation. Pressure spreads evenly across your sit bones. The split seat design cuts fatigue and soreness, helping cyclists go farther while feeling more comfortable, mile after mile. Number 21, String Drive. Now you can replace its traditional chains and belts with an innovative nylon string system. These strings wrap around and release from the pulleys, creating a smoother, quieter, and faster ride. The system offers 19 speeds that shift instantly, requires no lubrication, and the strings last up to 2,000 kilometers kilometers, costing about $10 each to replace. Number 20. Vibrelli Bike Multi-Tool. This compact Vibrelli Bike Multi-Tool packs 19 essential tools, including hex wrenches, spoke wrenches, chain breaker, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, Torx, and open wrenches, all with non-slip sidebar grips. It's portable and durable, built to withstand military-grade standards. Constructed from hardened high-tensile steel and designed by cyclists for cyclists, it comes with a lifetime manufacturer's warranty for lasting reliability. Number 19. Patchnride. Being on a solo ride and suddenly getting a flat tire with no one around to help. Pretty stressful, right? That's where the Patchnride comes in. This compact flat tire repair kit fits easily in your backpack and uses a patent-pending technology to permanently fix a flat in under a minute. What makes it stand out is its versatility. It works on all types of bicycle tires without needing to remove them. Number 18. Bike Light Set. These bike lights combine bright illumination with built-in wide-angle reflectors, ensuring visibility even when powered off. Featuring 14 modes, 8 for the headlight, 6 for the tail light, you can easily switch between brightness and flash patterns. Dual Type-C charging powers both lights simultaneously, giving up to 16 hours front and 26 hours rear illumination. Number 17. Bike Cleaning Kit. This 9-piece bike cleaning kit features a chain scrubber, brushes for chains, tires, wheels, sprockets, a tapered detail brush, and a cleaning mitt. Suitable for all bicycles, it allows easy chain cleaning. Add degreaser, hold the scrubber, and pedal. Each brush targets specific bike parts, efficiently removing dirt, grime, and gunk from hard-to-reach areas. Number 16. Extrawheel Mate. Hauling gear on a bike usually means dealing with bulky panniers or wide two-wheeled trailers that make riding clunky. This single-wheel bike trailer changes the game. It's built with a super rigid frame that attaches right to your rear axle and follows your bike perfectly. Even though it's compact, it can carry up to 35 kilograms of gear and 100 liters of luggage when paired with the classic waterproof durable panniers. Number 15. Avantree Cyclone. It is excellent for on-the-go adventures. The Cyclone speaker is splash-proof, IPX4, and shock-resistant, featuring a rubber exterior and multiple mounting options, including a bike mount, belt, and hook. Its dual 5-watt speakers with a passive bass radiator deliver clear, rich sound even in busy environments. Choose from Bluetooth, micro SD TF card, or aux playback, and enjoy effortless music connection with NFC-enabled phones for quick pairing wherever you go. Number 14. Tanluhu Cycling Gloves. Trusted by thousands, these gloves combine breathable polyester and elastic microfiber with mesh palms to wick moisture and resist wear. Each pair is rigorously tested for durability, comfort, and quality. Touchscreen compatible thumb and forefinger let you use your phone without removing them, while 3mm padded palms absorb shocks and reduce hand fatigue. Number 13. Puroma Bike Cover. Protect your bike with this premium waterproof polyester cover featuring PU and UV coatings to guard against rain, snow, dust, and bird droppings. Its elastic design allows easy installation and fits most bikes up to 29 inches. The lock-hole design enhances security, while double-stitched hems and smart buckles keep it secure in windy conditions. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a storage bag for convenient transport and storage, making it ideal for any cycling adventure. Number 12. AUXITO Tiny Bike Pump. Now we got a bike pump smaller than your phone that can pump up a tire in just 20 seconds. It's just 3 inches and really light, but don't let that fool you. It can inflate up to 7 flat tires on a single charge, hits 120 PSI, and even has an auto shutoff with a digital display. It switches easily between Presta and Schrader valves, and also it has a built-in LED light. Number 11. Vittoria Air-Liner. This clever innovation replaces part of the air in your bike tires with high-quality polymer, giving your tires extra grip, stability, and control, even at lower pressure. Flats. Forget about them. The Air-Liner keeps your tires inflated even if the air runs out, and riding over curbs or rough surfaces won't damage your rims because the polymer cushions every impact. Number 10. Ultralight Bike Repair Stand. The Pro Ultralight Repair Stand combines portability with performance, featuring a frame best for travel and field repairs. Its enhanced clamp provides 110% more grip and 360-degree rotation, while the quick-release mast collar and oversized rear tri-knob ensure stable, easy adjustments. The redesigned front spinner allows faster clamp closure, and the included padded dual-zip travel bag protects the stand during transport. Number 9. Hexlox. Every cyclist knows that awful feeling when you come back to your bike and something's missing. A seat, a wheel, a fancy bolt, gone. This locking system fixes that problem in a really smart way. You simply replace your regular bike bolts with these coated locks, and from that point on, only your unique key can remove them. Each lock weighs less than 2 grams, so you won't even notice it on the ride. Number 8. Lumos Ultra Fly Pro. It's way more than just head protection. Built-in LED lights, turn signals, and brake lights make you impossible to miss, like a mini Christmas tree on wheels. You can control everything from a handlebar remote, your phone, or even with simple hand gestures. It won't give you superpowers, but it will seriously boost your safety and visibility. Plus, it's lightweight and aerodynamic, so long rides are comfortable. Number 7. Beeline Velo 2. Next up is the Beeline Velo 2, a super simple navigation gadget for cyclists. It clips right onto your handlebars and gives clear turn-by-turn directions with a clean and minimalist interface. Basically like a compass that actually knows where you're headed. You plan your route on your phone, but once you're riding, it works completely on its own. The battery lasts longer than most phones. It's not for tracking every stat or metric, just straightforward that keeps you focused on the road. Number 6. MaxTracker. This next gadget is a complete anti-theft solution for your bike. It combines a tough lock with a piercing alarm and real-time GPS tracking. Motion sensors send instant alerts to your phone the moment anyone tampers with it. The unit hides neatly in a water bottle cage made from aerospace-grade materials. Its rechargeable battery lasts over 2 months, and the system is here to handle all kinds of weather. You can even connect via 5G and customize notifications, while the optional loud alarm helps scare off thieves. Number 5. Carrier Hitch Rack. Increase your Exo Swing Base's capacity by adding a second level perfect for cycling, camping, or skiing adventures. The modular setup supports multiple Exo accessories and measures 31 inches long, 25 inches wide, and 26.6 inches high. Enjoy 180-degree rotation for easy lower-level access or base camp use, with tool-free Exo cleat installation and locking speed knobs. Secure your gear with the included hitch lock and 2 SKS cores, while durable materials and a stable jack stand ensure long-lasting reliability. Number 4. Folding Bicycle Basket. Made from 4mm thick steel wire, this front bike basket holds up to 56 pounds while offering rust and weather resistance with a glossy black finish. Its foldable design keeps it compact for easy storage and handling. The removable PU-lined bag with thick shockproof sponge protects your items from water, dust, and impact. Number 3. Indoor Bike Trainer. Take your indoor cycling to the next level with the Ceres front wheel riser block, offering 3 adjustable heights for customizable workouts. Stack multiple blocks to reach 12 levels of intensity while maintaining reliable stability. Made from strong composite materials, it keeps your front wheel secure and prevents movement during rides. Designed to fit any rear wheel mounted trainer, the riser block accommodates tires up to 2.2 inches, ensuring safe and effective training. Number 2. Magicshine HORI. It is made for you to ride safely anywhere with this dual optic bike light featuring a 1300 lumen high beam for trails and a low beam anti-glare mode for city streets. The dual mount system supports a computer or GoPro alongside the light, keeping handlebars tidy. Control both lights with the included FTR light sync remote. Rugged aluminum construction with IPX6 waterproofing, a 3200 mAh battery, USB-C fast charging, and vibration activated hands-free operation ensure long-lasting performance and safety on every ride. Number 1. SY Bicycle Speedometer. This wireless waterproof bicycle computer wakes automatically with vibration and displays ride data on a bright LCD. Lightweight and compact, it tracks speed, distance, and riding time, making it best for cyclists and fitness enthusiasts. The backlight automatically activates at night for easy viewing. Quick to install, its intuitive 2-button interface is adjustable for most tire sizes. So that was all we had on our list of the coolest bicycle gadgets and accessories you can get. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you found the video helpful. Drop a comment if you've got any questions, and don't forget to check out our channel for more videos.